Before we begin, what if becoming wealthy isn't about luck? Or having a high-paying job? What if the biggest difference between financially successful people and everyone else comes down to a few simple habits repeated every single day? The truth is, most millionaires don't wake up one morning and suddenly become rich. Their wealth is built slowly. One decision at a time. One habit at a time. Today, you'll discover 7 powerful money habits that quietly separate wealthy people from everyone else. Let's begin. Habit number 1, pay yourself first, ***. Imagine receiving your paycheck. What do most people do? They pay their bills. They buy groceries. They spend money on entertainment. And if anything is left, they save it. Wealthy people often reverse this process. Before paying anyone else, they pay themselves first. That doesn't mean buying expensive things. It means moving part of every paycheck into savings or investments before spending anything else. Even a small amount matters. Because consistency is far more powerful than perfection. Someone who saves a small percentage every month for many years often builds far more wealth than someone who waits for the perfect time to start. The first habit isn't about how much money you earn. It's about making your future a priority before your present wants. And that simple habit can completely change your financial life over time. Habit number 2, think long-term, ***. One of the biggest differences between wealthy people and everyone else is how they think about time. Most people focus on today. Wealthy people often focus on the next 5, 10, or even 20 years. Imagine planting 2 trees. One person waters the tree every day, even though nothing seems to happen at first. The other person gives up after a week because the tree hasn't grown yet. A few years later, one tree provides shade, fruit, and lasting value. The other never had the chance to grow. Money works in a very similar way. Small investments made consistently over many years often produce results that seem impossible in the beginning. That's why patience is one of the greatest financial advantages anyone can have. The problem is, we live in a world that rewards speed. Fast food. Fast shipping. Instant entertainment. Instant purchases. Everything encourages us to expect immediate results. But wealth rarely works that way. Real financial success is usually built slowly, through hundreds of smart decisions repeated over time. Every dollar you save today. Every skill you learn. Every unnecessary expense you avoid. Is a gift to your future self. The people who become financially successful understand one simple truth. Time is often more valuable than money itself. Because money can be earned again. Time cannot. Habit number 3, control your emotions before your money, ***. Here's something many people never realize. Some of the biggest financial mistakes are not caused by a lack of money. They're caused by emotions. Think about the last time you bought something you didn't really need. Were you making a logical decision? Or an emotional one? Fear. Excitement. Stress. Impatience. These emotions quietly influence millions of financial decisions every single day. Successful people understand that emotions are temporary. But financial decisions can have long-term consequences. That's why they pause before making important purchases. They ask themselves simple questions. Do I really need this? Will this improve my life a year from now? Am I buying this because it's valuable? Or because of how it makes me feel right now? Those few moments of reflection can save thousands of dollars over a lifetime. The truth is, building wealth isn't about making one perfect decision. It's about making better decisions consistently. Small habits, repeated every day, eventually become extraordinary results. So remember these 3 habits. Pay yourself first. Think long-term. Control your emotions before your money. Master these habits. And you'll already be thinking differently than most people. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next lesson on building lasting wealth.